Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style and welcome back to a new unboxing video. These are the debuts, I'm so sorry about my pronunciation. These are the Rainbow High twins. Her name is Laurel and her name is Holly. Okay, so we have the box, it's very sturdy, it has the decorations. We have a clear window at the front, the sides are empty, and at the back we just have the illustrations of the twins and a small information underneath. So my friends, let me bring them out of the box and I will be back with you. Okay my friends, I am back. First of all, let's remove some of this stuff so it's not all crowded over here. They came each one with a comb. We have a golden and a silver one. I'll put them in here. And of course they have their own stands. One of them again is golden and the other one is silver color. These as always are easy to assemble. I will just put them aside so they are not in here taking our space. And let's start, or let's continue with the fun part in here. First, let's see the accessories and then we'll come back to the dolls. So I'll put them a little bit aside in here. Okay, so first of all, they have these lovely purses. They have the, let me show you. There, you can see the R and the H. This is made with fabric. These logos are plasticky and the handles are also plasticky. They have a little bit of velcro and you can open both of them, and inside they have a little bit of cardboard just to keep the shape in there, but as you can see you have some space inside to put stuff. So yeah, it's just a piece of cardboard in here. They are soft and they are very cute. Moving on to the next item. This was an item that I really wanted to get from these dolls too, because normally we do not have these clear boxes, silver and golden boxes. Inside one of them we have some earrings, purple and red. I will just show them to you in the box because right now I will not put them into the dolls, but I really like the part that they come in this like special tiny package. The package on the cardboard, it says rainbow, and then you have your earrings, so you can also display them as if they were like accessories on a store or something like that, since they come into a tiny package like this. The boxes open from the top like this, and this is the small size, but then we have this medium size. So the medium size also opens from the top like this. They come with an extra pair of shoes. Also at the moment I won't take them out of the box because I want to display them, but I can show you that they are heels. At the bottom they have like rainbow soles, I think they are called, and also on this side you have the Rainbow High logo in blue and in purple, I'm sorry, at the back. The front has some silver on them and the top is just like black color. So these are the other shoes they come with, and the white ones are white at the top, golden at the front. They also have the Rainbow High logo, but this is like a fuchsia, hot pink. At the back is yellowish, and the bottom is also rainbow color. So these are the extra shoes they have. I will leave them in the box. And now let's finally move into the dolls. So as we were seeing in the box, they are twins. We have like the, I will call them fire and ice dolls, because that really, the theme on this doll remind me of that. They have similar faces, but this girl has brown eyes. So I found that very cute. And this girl has them like sky blue. The lipstick is the same color in both of them, and well, the eyeshadows, these are bluish and these are reddish. Both of them come with earrings. This has the R and this has the H. These are golden and silver. Okay, so each of them will have their theme. The other thing they include is obviously these lovely dresses. One of them is white with golden letters and like pinkish also letters. You can see the rainbow on their shoulders. These are very well done. The fabric feels very, very nice. And this one has a black fabric with some silver and also purplish and greenish yellowish letters. She also has the ribbons, and looking here I can see the inside of the fabric in the ribbon here. So it's a small part in here, but you can see she also has that extra layer of fabric in there. And well, the back is very simple. We have some velcro in here, and they both have the necklace in here with the R and H. So that's it. We have the shoes. These are made out of plastic. The other ones are also plastic shoes, and this one says rainbow, and the bottom is the same color as these ones. Okay, and on her we have the same plastic shoes with rainbow, and the bottom is also like these ones. And the last thing I really wanted to show you was the nails. These nails are super cute. So these one are in warm colors, as you can see. They even combine them. And on this lady we have cooler tones. I mean colder. Colder or cooler tones. But yeah, it's so cute. They have these tiny details on them. Also, the last thing we need to mention is the hair. So we already saw the difference on the colors and the combinations of the hair. They have these ponytails. I'm seeing a little bit of the base in here. As you can see, I'm parting the hair in here, and you can already see the scalp. So I hope whenever I remove this ponytail, it does not show a lot the scalp. If not, I will try to fix that and I will show you in a future video. But so far, that is the first thing that I'm noticing in here, that you can see the scalp very easily. But I'm okay with that. She has this small like hairdo in here at the front, and her hair has no product. Actually, I'm amazed. It has zero product and it feels very, very soft. Her hair are kind of greenish, darker green, purple and blue, and you have like a sky blue in here at the front, and it's very soft and curly. And then we have the sister in here. She has the same situation in here with the scalp, but as we were saying, it's okay. And she has yellow, orange, hot pink, and a lighter hot pink in here. Maybe in the camera you cannot see it very easily, but in person you can notice all the types of hair color she has. She has the same hairstyle in here, the ponytail, and again her hair is very curly and has zero product on her. So basically this is what you get with these two dolls. I was very excited to get them. First one because they are twins and they come in a set of two. And I also got them in a very kind of a sale. I think it was a very nice price. And I also enjoy all the accessories they get. Since I'm trying to assemble like a house for my dolls, I really enjoy all these type of things, like the extra accessories, because they will help me to decorate the house whenever I have it finished. And of course, whenever I have that project ready, I will be showing you on a future video, my friends. So overall, today was just the unboxing of the twins, the Rainbow High twins. So for today, that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to click the like button. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because that will make me very happy, and it will also motivate me to keep doing these videos for this channel. So my friend, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!